What a wonderful world.
You're not shooting. Stop. Stop.
Stop advertising Burger King.
This guy slammed a door on me. Lightings
If
are
you
good.
could create your own signature.
Hi all, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I know I am shooting this video after taking my blueberry shake because उसमें ना पहले जो मैंने वीडियो रिकॉर्ड करी थी अच्छी नहीं आई. So today I'll be doing Q&A questions based on food which Abhi will be asking me. So let's get started with the video. And also I know मैं बहुत दिनों बाद वीडियो बना रही हूँ, so please suggest some new ideas as well क्योंकि मुझे ideas भी नहीं मिल रहे थे and I was so busy I couldn't shoot any sort of a video. So comment and let me know new ideas. And we have come to Burger King after a lot of time. So let's see. Whoopers, we have ordered Whoopers. I'm not having chicken, so मैंने पनीर Whopper order करवाया है. It is paneer royal Whopper. So I'll try and let you all know how it tastes.
Dish you have always wanted to learn how to cook.
One dish is, I think I would want to learn baking some that good baked cake होता है ना एकदम fluffy सा vanilla, especially in that category, to be precise. Vanilla cake, spongy वाला, not with the cream and all, plain vanilla. Lightings are
If you
good.
could create your own signature dish, what would it be?
Signature dish, I think it would be some sort of a salad maybe because right now and abhi aajkal I'm into bit of eating some healthy food, so maybe some sort of a salad and homemade sauce as well. So वैसा कुछ.
What's the most unusual food you have ever tried?
Unusual food, once I ordered some sort of a tamarind spaghetti and I didn't like it at all, so that was the worst food I think which I have ever tried till now.
What's your favorite seasonal or holiday food tradition?
हॉलीडे फूड ट्रेडिशन वुड भी ना हमारे वहाँ पे पहाड़ी में एक मांस की पूरियाँ बनती है. आई लव दोज मांस की पूरीज and sale and those things are really good. Seasonal would be maybe whenever your seasonal fruits are there, so you make some sort of shakes or juice and you have it all. So we have ordered burgers from Burger King and I'll have this. We're going to the blueberry thick shake. This blueberry thick shake. Try and let me know how it is. Yeah, this guy slammed a door on me.
I cannot be waiting for you for like 5 minutes. पीछे से 1 घंटे बाद आओगे
Oh please, this is my shake, thick blueberry shake. Yes, next
Do you
question.
prefer sweet or savory snacks?
I think I prefer not sweet. पहले तो I was sweet too जब मैं छोटी थी, but now I prefer खट्टा मीठा sort of. So that is what I prefer. हाँ.
Stop advertising Burger King. Go to a side.
Okay. हाँ जी. Next question.
What's one food you used to hate but now you love?
I think all the veggies, I would say, especially beans, bangan or lauki. I used to not eat all these veggies. Now I have started eating them, and because I know the benefits of eating veggies now. So yes.
If you could have dinner with any celebrity chef,
Oh.
who would it be and what would you eat?
Celebrity chef.
Recent days you watch Farah Khan a lot.
No. Yes, I do watch Farah Khan, but that is just for fun. मैं एक स्टोरी बताती हूँ. कुणाल कपूर इज देयर, राइट? आई थिंक इज कुणाल कपूर. वो ना मुझे बड़ा सा गोलू मोलू बड़ा ही क्यूट लगता था मुझे वो. और तो समटाइम्स व्हेनेवर आई यूज्ड टू लुक फॉर यूट्यूब वीडियोस कोई भी रेसिपी का, तो ना वो मुझे इतना क्यूट लगता था. जस्ट बिकॉज ऑफ हिज क्यूटनेस आई वुड वांट टू हैव एंड लर्न समथिंग फ्रॉम हिम एंड हैव फूड विद हिम.
What is your guilty pleasure food?
गिल्टी प्लेजर फूड, समथिंग वेरी चीजी, जो कि आज मैंने किया था. स्कूल से आके आई केम, मैंने भटकी छुड़कानी दीदी से बोला था बनवाने के लिए. आई ऑल्सो मेड दिस गार्लिक ब्रेड देन बिकॉज आई वांटेड टू हैव समथिंग चीजी, सो आई मेड दैट.
I hope Kunal Kapoor watches your previous description of him. How you have described him. Golu Molu. If you could eat unlimited
He's Kunal Kapoor only, no?
We'll check it.
हाँ. He's Kunal.
If you could eat unlimited amounts of junk food without any health consequences, what would it be?
I think it would be some potatoes. I think lots of potatoes and cheese, maybe French fries or with cheese and that. I have got my burgers and now मैं अपना burger खाऊंगी and we'll do the Q&A session as well. So this is the paneer royal burger I have ordered for myself. This is how it looks and the packaging. Yours is chicken whopper. पीछे से जो लाइट आ रही है ना बड़ी डिस्टर्ब कर रही है कैमरा में. चलो ठीक है. You ask me the question now. Yours is very खट्टा बर्गर. उसमें जो मेयोनीज कुछ डाला है.
What's your favorite food to order for delivery?
Food to order for delivery, to be honest, I would say Domino's के pizza.
Do you prefer trying new restaurants or sticking with your favorites?
Yes, I prefer trying new restaurants.
Whether you prefer sticking where you have gone once?
हाँ, but because I also want to be on a safer side. कभी कुछ नया ट्राई कर लिया ना अच्छा नहीं लगता था. Now I'm regretting it later. Oh, पैसे वेस्ट हो गए. That is why.
If you could have one type of cuisine, example Italian, Indian, Thai, for the rest of your life, what would it be?
Of course, Indian, and that has to be a proper dal and chawal. I cannot go without dal and chawal.
What food instantly reminds you of your childhood?
Food, like in what? A bad memory or something? A good memory? What sort of?
Obviously, you want to have good memories of your childhood. Why would you like to remember bad things?
I think that has to be a aloo ke gutke and puri, because that used to be our go-to meal. हम कहीं बाहर जा रहे हैं, आलू के गुटके and पूरी. जब भी whenever I used to leave for my hostel or for my college, that has to be the one proper meal which my mom used to make, and I used to savor it. और वो तो पैक करके भी लेके जाते थे. हाँ, so आलू and पूरी, आलू के गुटके and पूरी.
What is your favorite dessert of all time?
Favorite dessert? Currently, I would say Shahi Tukda.
What's your go-to comfort food when you are feeling down?
Something sweet. If I'm feeling down, something sweet and cheesy. I would love to have that.
If you could try any food from anywhere in the world, what would it be?
Anywhere in the world. I want to try my burger. खुद का तो खा लिया, अभी मेरा भी खाओगे ना पूरा बर्गर आप. Food, it would be, I would say South Indian, maybe. I would want to try South Indian for each and every part of the world. कहाँ पे कैसा South Indian बनता है, because I love South Indian.
What's your favorite way to cook or prepare eggs?
I have a story behind it now. So recently, since I've started living with my husband, since I've started living with Abhi, he taught me. आपी ने मुझे वो बताया था वाला ना, griller में you put your eggs and then you put all your masala, oregano, chili flakes or whatever you want to put, peppers and all. Good to go. That is how I like preparing. In sandwich maker. That is very easy and it is very, it's a quick recipe basically.
What's the weirdest food combination you have ever tried and loved?
Weirdest food combination, I would say, I'm not able to remember. Something very weird. Okay, yeah. Ever tried biscuits with pani? खाया आपने? We have done it a lot. That's a weird combo, I know. काफी लोगों ने नहीं भी try किया होगा, but yeah, I love that. अच्छा होता taste. To be honest ना, कभी कभी my childhood what I used to do, उसको biscuits को I used to dip in water and then mix it and then have it. That weird combo. But अब नहीं करती हूँ मैं वो.
What food do you absolutely hate but everyone else seems to love?
Mutton. Sorry if I offend someone saying this. Maybe whatever is made up of mutton. Whatever dish, I mean.
Red meat is very good for it. If you had to eat breakfast, lunch, and dinner at the same restaurant for a week, where would you go?
Same restaurant for a week. That has to be a some
Some
lunch.
you have to be very specific. Which one?
Okay, then I would go. ऐसा कोई restaurant नहीं, homemade I would prefer. Homemade. You wanna have? I don't want to eat now.
What's your favorite snack to have during a movie or binge watching a show?
Popcorn, of course. Love having popcorn while watching movie. Then it's very quick. मैंने कितने टाइम से I've been telling him to please record my video. He doesn't record only. आज finally time मिला है, so we have recorded it. This is good, but it is too sweet. You want to try this? Now let me know what all sort of video you would like to see from my end, because मेरे को ना बहुत सोचना पड़ता है कि मैं क्या वीडियो बनाऊँ, and usually I don't get time. और अभी तो I'm going to school और स्कूल जाना आना, it's a lot of work. बहुत it's very difficult to take a time out. कल के लिए तो we are thinking that we'll make our favorite chicken recipe, so we'll share it with you all.
Tomorrow first we'll go for a workout.
We'll go for swimming, okay, and
then only all this eating.
I want to show my audience, my little fam which I have currently connected with. उनको दिखाना है कि how we make our chicken, that we can show them.
We'll cook it for night.
Afternoon is fine. So it's a sort of a layout where you get all sorts of brands over here. यहाँ पे DIY भी है. यहाँ पे काफ़ी सस्ती चीज़ें मिल जाती है Mr. DIY में. And last time we got one small tote bag I have got. I'll show it to you when I reach home. I have left for home. And we have to go somewhere after this. Thank you all for watching this video. I'll be ending this specially Q&A part based on food. I'll be ending it over here. See you all in the next video. Till then, bye bye. Take care.